Hey everyone, it's Erin Floto here, and I am here putting together my bullet journal review page for the month of April. I love the style that I did for this quarterly goals page, so I matched it pretty much exactly, except for moving the tape to the other side for my review page. So I'm not going to go into a whole lot of details. I will just see you on the other side. All right, so here you have my review. So as usual, I'm doing a social media review where I have Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and YouTube. Like I mentioned before, I did it the same style as the quarterly goals page. I decided to change it up a little bit because I had drop shadows over here, but none over here. So I decided to change it up by doing black outlines so that I could do drop shadows everywhere. And I thought it looks a little bit better. A little bit more balanced with this other page. So I have my start number from the start of April, the end number, so I will fill this in when the end of April is here, and then the difference between those two numbers. This month has not been great social media wise and numbers wise, so I'm not shocked that there's going to be, particularly here, there's going to be a pretty big negative. I don't know what's going on with Instagram in general, but I've been losing a lot of people, and I know a lot of my friends have been losing a lot of people, so I'm not really sure if that's like a political thing going on, or if people are just not as into bullet journaling right now because, you know, the fad from the beginning of the year where you're going to accomplish everything has kind of gone away. So we'll see. Usually that picks up around June again because people are starting to plan for school. And usually, you know, middle of the year, you're kind of doing a mid-year evaluation. So usually in June and September, those numbers pick back up again. And then I decided to use this Beyonce quote: if there's one thing I'm willing to bet on, it's myself. Because obviously I can't bet on social media all the time. So the reason I plan isn't for social media, it's for myself. So I thought that this quote would be kind of a nice way to remember that you know, I'm always betting on myself to push myself forward, and that it's not necessarily a numbers game, even though numbers feel nice, but it's not everything. So keeping that quote for this April review. So I hope you guys like this video. I hope you guys like the style. I'm really excited about this. Sorry about the lighting. It's a pretty crappy day. So like, subscribe, notification bell, all that kind of jazz. And I will see you on Monday. Bye, everyone.